Timothy Turtle wasn't like other turtles. He wasn't the fastest, nor did he have the strongest shell. Timothy's shell, in fact, was quite plain, a dull brown with barely a speck of colour. This made him feel shy, hiding amongst the reeds and rarely venturing out. One sunny morning, a curious butterfly named Flicker landed on Timothy's shell. "Hello," she said, "that's a very interesting shell." Timothy blushed. "It's boring," he mumbled. Flicker, ever the optimist, fluttered closer. "But have you peeked inside?" Confused, Timothy peered inside his shell. It was empty, just like the outside. "There's nothing to see," he sighed. "Not quite," Flicker insisted. "Close your eyes and take a deep breath." Timothy did as he was told. Suddenly, a warm, tingling sensation spread through him. He opened his eyes to find his shell wasn't empty anymore. Inside, a miniature garden bloomed with vibrant flowers and buzzing with tiny bees. Surprised, Timothy pulled his head out. Flicker giggled. "Turns out, your shell is full of surprises. Maybe you just need a little help finding them." From then on, Timothy explored with Flicker. Together they found his shell held a sparkling waterfall, a cozy mushroom library, and even a miniature racetrack where Timothy, surprisingly fast on his tiny legs, could finally win a race. With each discovery, Timothy's confidence grew. He learned that being different wasn't something to hide, but something to celebrate. His once plain shell became a source of wonder, a reminder that the most beautiful things are often hidden within.